Your routine. You don't have to do a whole hour. Just do like 10-minute like bursts. By the way, there are some guys that put their stuff online and they actually go in and they redub their stuff to make themselves look better.
Right. Exactly.
Oh, so they're cheating.
They overdub. They cheat. Yeah, they overdub. So get Steve Vai to play your stuff while you're just.
I think even Marianne from Brooklyn wouldn't listen to an hour of me practicing.
I think she would do it. I think she would listen in the nude.
Yeah.
How would I listen?
Woodstock for her.
I listened to you practice. I never heard such a great practice. Hey. What is this? Steve Nowicki posts his practice on social media? Yeah, because it's barely practice. He's just showing off.
Right.
He's a dick. Yeah.